Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today in the vise I have this Italian Euro profile, Cerribi, C-E-R-R-I-B-I. I'm not sure how to say it. It's a 5-pinner. I got this from Crolama, I believe. I have been fucking around with this lock. I picked it open today because I'm on a Euro kick. And I've been curious what's inside this, so I'm gonna find out. There we go. Okay, this one is was a weird one to figure out. Yeah, I usually use my go-to profiles, but this one I had to use this super deep hook. And I wasn't levering like I usually do. This one I was literally just moving the pins up into place. But that is that. We've got our open. I've already taken the C-clip off the back because it was a pain in the butt. Alright, so now I can finally see what's inside this one too. Alright, so these are definitely all standards. I am more interested in what's upstairs. Weird. Those were weird looking. Those are weird looking key pins, man. Huh. Alright, so that's the front, that's the back. Let's see what's going on here. Alright. Start with number 5. Number 5, standard. Steel spring. True 4. Standard. Oh wow. 3. One standard. Standard. Wow. Just a standard with some good tolerances, eh? Very cool. Well, there you have it, guys. That was the Sorelli from Crow Llama. Everything in there is standard. I think what was giving me a hard time is that they were so high set. It was just proper pick profile, proper pick choice. But yeah, that was actually a fun lock. Good lock for just all standards. Wow. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for joining. Till next time, like, subscribe, share, comment. Catch you later. Ciao.